Thank you for checking in with Maine's Total Weather. I'm meteorologist Sarah Long. Heading into Monday, we do have a total weather alert going into effect, and this is especially true for the afternoon. We've got some steady rainfall, downpours and thunder, but it's really the wind that I'm most concerned about. Winds gusting over 50 miles per hour for some as we head through the second half of the day on Monday. Outages are likely, so make sure that you charge your electrics as you head overnight into Monday morning. Probably a good time to be prepared. The storm itself actually has been causing some severe weather over parts of the south through Easter Sunday. But now as it starts to move off to the north, it's going to head north of the Great Lakes. And we are on the warm side of this storm. We are not talking about snowfall. Instead, it's rain and wind, a wet and windy Monday overall. 8:30 in the morning, we've got some lighter rain moving in. Then as we head toward late morning, right through the afternoon, we get steady rain, moderate at times with some downpours likely. And at the same time that we're getting those downpours, we are going to see those winds picking up. And right now I expect those peak gusts to be along the mid-coast and down east. 11 o'clock in the evening Monday, the rain has moved out. So I think after 8-9 o'clock, we'll start to see the rain winding down. And the winds will be strongest during the afternoon and evening hours. And they'll slowly start to relax as we head overnight into Tuesday as well. 30 to 45 mile per hour gusts as you head well inland, 40 to 55 as you head just away from the coastline and also along the southern coast, but mid-coast to down east, we could be looking at 50 to 60 mile per hour gusts as we head through the second half of the day Monday. Still breezy on Tuesday, but brighter and a mix of sun and clouds as we head through the rest of the week.